Good afternoon. My name is Yamit Moreno Ruiz. In this moment, I share physical description of Gabriel Garcia Marquez. Gabriel Garcia, great Colombian right. He had of brown out of medium wide, approximately 1 meter with 65 centimeters of medium weight. He has light brown skin. His face is square shaped. He has gray hair. He has dark eyes. He has bushy eyebrows. He has a gray mustache. He has a broad nose. He has full lips and wrinkles. Marquez was a smart poet, a quiet, modest, sensible, cheerful, and brave man. Thank you.